Welcome to this ClickShare information video. I would like to show you how to use the ClickShare configurator, our web-based tool that allows you to access and configure your base unit. Let me give you a quick overview of the ClickShare configurator. There are several ways to connect to the configurator. To connect via the ClickShare Wi-Fi network, there are 3 steps to take. Connect to the Wi-Fi network, enter the wireless IP address shown on the wallpaper into a browser, then log in. To connect via the LAN, there are 3 steps to take. Make sure the base unit is connected to the LAN, enter the wired IP address shown on the wallpaper into a browser, then log in. I'm going to connect to the configurator via the Wi-Fi. First select ClickShare from the list of available networks, then enter the default Wi-Fi password ClickShare if required. Now make a note of the wireless IP address from the ClickShare wallpaper. Open a browser and enter the address and log in using the default username, which is admin, and the default password, which is also admin. Then click the login button. Now we have the configurator open, let's take a look at the options it gives us. The main menu is on the left-hand side of the screen. Under personalization, we can change the wallpaper and change the name of our base unit. In display and audio, we can adjust the screen resolution, screensaver, and audio settings. We can adjust the Wi-Fi settings and change the signal strength in the Wi-Fi and network section. We can configure the security settings by clicking here, or set up our system updates here. Let me show you the options you should use when setting up ClickShare for the first time. Let's start with changing the language of the configurator. Select your language for the interface from this pick list. Click on Personalization, select the on-screen ID and set the location and welcome messages. Don't forget to save the changes you make. Now let's change the configurator password. To do this, go to Security, click on Passwords and then change the Web UI password. Don't forget to press Save Changes when you've finished. If you want to change the ClickShare Wi-Fi passphrase, go to Wi-Fi and Network, then Wi-Fi settings. You may also want to change the date, time or time zone of your base unit. To do this, go to System and select Date and Time. If you're using the meeting room audio system, you'll need to change the audio settings. To do this, click on Display and Audio. Make sure the Enable Audio box is checked and change the audio output from HDMI to jack or SPDIF and click on Save Changes. You may also wish to force app users to enter a passcode. To do this, go to Wi-Fi and Network, click on Services and then change the mobile device's passcode type. When you have finished, click on Save Changes. Now let's change the ClickShare wallpaper. The ClickShare wallpaper is shown on the meeting room display when no one is sharing. To change the ClickShare wallpaper, click on Personalization, then Wallpaper. You can select a different design by clicking on one of the images and pressing Save Changes. If you want to add your own wallpaper, click on Choose Image and select an image you would like to use. You can set different levels of security on ClickShare CSE or Enterprise base units. This feature is not available on the CS or earlier models of the ClickShare base unit. To do this, you need to use the ClickShare configurator. Let me show you how. Click on Security and then Security Level. There are 3 levels. Level 1 is the default, which gives you data encryption. Level 2 offers a higher level of security, including mandatory PIN codes for ClickShare apps. Level 3 does not allow the use of apps or Wi-Fi access to the configurator. If we were going to keep these changes, we would now click on Save Changes. Another great feature of our enterprise products is network integration. With the enterprise ClickShare units, you can activate network integration. This allows you to use your corporate Wi-Fi to connect the buttons to the base unit. To do this, you need to access the base unit using the ClickShare configurator. Let me show you how. Click on Wi-Fi and Network, and then Network Integration. Select the security mode you would like to use, enter the access details, check the details and click Finish Configuration. When the process is complete, you should get a warning asking you to repair your buttons. To do this, plug each button into the front of the base unit and remove it when the LED has stopped flashing. More detailed information can be found in the product installation manuals, which are available as downloads at barcode.com. And that is how you can use the ClickShare configurator to change your ClickShare settings.